balconies are no longer just small, forgotten corners of the home. In 2026, they've become extensions of our living spaces, mini retreats where we relax, entertain, or simply sip coffee in the morning sun. And when it comes to designing a stylish balcony, the flooring plays a major role. Today, we'll explore some of the most creative balcony flooring ideas for 2026. From eco-friendly options to luxurious finishes, these designs will inspire you to transform your balcony into a space you'll love spending time in. So, let's dive right into the flooring trends that are redefining outdoor spaces this year. 1. Interlocking deck tiles. One of the most popular and practical solutions in 2026 is interlocking deck tiles. These tiles are a favorite because they're easy to install. You don't need professional help. They simply snap together like puzzle pieces, covering your old concrete balcony floor in minutes. What makes them so versatile is the variety. You'll find them in wood finishes, stone looks, and even composite materials that mimic natural textures but require very little maintenance. Want a warm, rustic balcony? Go for wooden deck tiles. Prefer sleek and modern? Try gray stone look tiles. They're also removable, so if you're renting an apartment, you can take them with you when you move. And in 2026, many companies are offering eco-friendly recycled plastic composites, making this option sustainable as well as stylish. 2. Artificial grass carpets. If you want your balcony to feel like a mini garden, artificial grass flooring is the way to go. It's soft under your feet, adds a pop of greenery, and instantly transforms a dull balcony into a refreshing outdoor escape. The good news is, the artificial grass of 2026 looks incredibly realistic compared to older versions. It has natural color variation, softer textures, and better drainage systems, so rainwater doesn't pool on your floor. It's perfect if you live in a high-rise building with no yard but still crave a touch of nature. Add some potted plants and cozy seating, and you'll have your own little oasis. 3. Patterned ceramic tiles. Next, let's talk about patterned ceramic tiles. Tiles never go out of style, but in 2026, bold, creative designs are trending. Think Moroccan-inspired patterns, geometric motifs, or colorful mosaic looks. Ceramic tiles are durable, water-resistant, and easy to clean, making them perfect for outdoor spaces. If you love a Mediterranean or boho chic vibe, patterned tiles will instantly elevate your balcony into a stylish hangout spot. They also work well in smaller spaces because the patterns create visual interest, making the area feel larger and more dynamic. 4. Natural stone flooring. For those who want a luxury upgrade, natural stone flooring is the way to go. Marble, granite, or slate tiles bring an elegant, timeless look to your balcony. Each stone slab is unique, with natural patterns that add character. In 2026, matte finishes and earthy tones are trending. So instead of polished, glossy marble, think muted textures that blend seamlessly with plants and outdoor furniture. Stone is strong, weatherproof, and adds real value to your home. Pair it with warm lighting and sleek furniture, and your balcony will feel like a 5-star resort lounge. 5. Outdoor rugs and carpets. Here's a budget-friendly idea: outdoor rugs and carpets. If you don't want to commit to permanent flooring, outdoor rugs are a quick way to refresh your balcony. In 2026, these rugs come in UV-resistant, waterproof, and washable materials that can handle rain and sunshine. You'll find bold patterns, textured weaves, and neutral tones that fit every style, whether you want cozy boho vibes or a chic modern look. They're also great for renters, since you can roll them up and take them with you when you move. 6. Composite decking. If you love the look of wood but want something more durable, composite decking is a game changer. Made from a mix of wood fibers and recycled plastics, it's weatherproof, fade-resistant, and requires little to no maintenance. No splinters, no warping, no sanding, just long-lasting beauty. In 2026, composite decking is available in a range of colors, from warm cedar to cool gray, so you can match it to your home's overall style. It's perfect for larger balconies or terraces where durability is key. 7. Concrete finishes. Minimalist, this one's for you. Concrete flooring. Polished concrete, stamped patterns, or textured concrete finishes are trending in 2026 for their sleek, industrial vibe. They're durable, modern, and surprisingly versatile. Pair concrete flooring with metal railings and monochrome furniture for an urban loft-style balcony. Or soften the look with cushions, rugs, and greenery for a balanced aesthetic. Concrete is also budget-friendly and can be customized with stencils or stains for creative designs. 8. Pebble and stone mosaic flooring. If you want something truly unique, try pebble or stone mosaics. This flooring uses small stones or pebbles arranged into patterns, creating a natural yet artistic look. Walking barefoot on pebbles also gives a light massage effect, almost like a spa experience right at home. It's especially great for balconies with a zen or tropical vibe. Add bamboo plants, lanterns, and maybe a water feature, and you'll have your own calming retreat. 9. Interlocking plastic tiles. For a quick DIY makeover, interlocking plastic tiles are one of the easiest options. These tiles come in wood, stone, or patterned finishes and simply snap together. They're lightweight, weather-resistant, and affordable, making them great for renters or anyone who likes to change styles often. In 2026, designs include grid patterns, geometric textures, and even glow-in-the-dark tiles for a playful touch. They're functional, fun, and perfect for small balconies. 10. Mixed material flooring. Finally, the boldest trend of 2026, mixed material flooring. Why stick to one material when you can combine 2 or 3? For example, wood tiles paired with artificial grass, or ceramic tiles bordered with pebbles. This layered approach makes balconies look more dynamic and personalized. It's also practical. You can use grass for a cozy sitting corner, tiles for the dining area, and wood decking for a lounge setup. Mixed flooring is all about creativity. It allows you to design zones within your balcony, turning even a small space into a multifunctional paradise. And there you have it, 10 creative balcony flooring ideas for 2026. From the warmth of wooden tiles to the softness of artificial grass, the elegance of stone, and the boldness of mixed materials, there's something here for every style, budget, and lifestyle. The big takeaway is this: flooring is the foundation of your balcony design. It doesn't just affect how your balcony looks, it affects how it feels and how much you use it. Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing home decor and design ideas.